Slow close seat and lid never slams. Smooth, easy clean surface. Includes mounting hardware. Perfect replacement seat fits most elongated toilet bowls. Made from solid polypropylene plastic. Quality construction for durability and long wear. Top and bottom mounting hardware is included. The slow close elongated toilet seat from American Standard is designed to fit most elongated toilet bowls. Made from durable, easy clean materials, the slow close motion of the seat and lid eliminates slamming. This sleek style is easy to install and comes with mounting hardware. Top reviews from the United States. Love that it closes quietly. Bought a new home and simply wanted to replace toilet seats.